We all live in communities where businesses transact with people like you and me on a daily basis. Most end users are tech savvy, but most small and medium businesses are not truly digital. These are enterprises who cannot afford an ERP software or a standalone app. They typically use social media or chat apps to connect with their customers, which are not an efficient way of creating digital connection in any community. We introduced Onne, launched in March 2020, an app platform to interconnect the community players and achieve true digitisation. It is a no-code platform that businesses can install and create their own app in 2 simple steps. The advantage of Onne is that it is sector agnostic and any business can customize and build their app by choosing plug-and-play features that they need. Example, a school would add a module to manage kids' activities or create a timetable. A church or temple would add a prayer request module. A salon would add an appointment management module, and so on. We are active in B2B spaces, helping businesses improve their productivity. But during the process, we also solve a bigger pain problem of an end user who wants a simple and easy way of managing his daily routine without cluttering his phone with too many applications. Onne solves this by being a single platform to connect, engage, and transact with multiple businesses in their community. Here is an end user of Onne sharing her side of the story.
Hi, I'm Bhavani, an entrepreneur and a mother of a 5-year-old. My days are pretty hectic. A big part of it goes into running tasks and errands for my family, particularly the needs of my child in her school. Thankfully, my child's school has their own app on Onne, which makes my task and responsibilities manageable. Now there is clutter-free communication from the school, and their app supports more specialized functions like viewing timetables, receiving activity reports, endorsing her progress card, or even paying the fees on time, all within the comfort of my phone. Interestingly, once I started using Onne, I realized that I can not only connect with my child's school, but also book an appointment slot with my dentist, check the schedule of my yoga class, order vegetables from my local grocer, and even put up a request with my prayer group. It is indeed one app to connect with all.